Look what has arrived early. Today's what, February 10th? IPSY GLAM Bag Plus is already here. Let's open it up. By the way, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jenz BeautyStyle. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy. Love the fact that we can pick, is it 3 items? I don't remember what I picked, so let's go ahead and see what is. Oh my god. You know, I asked you guys if I should continue with IPSY or BoxyCharm, and most of you guys said IPSY. Glad I did, because look at these items that we're getting, like these name brands that you always want to try, but they're so pricey. And price of this bag, like just this powder here by Bobbi Brown, is totally gonna be like over the price of this bag. So this is in pale yellow. This is the Bobbi Brown Sheer Finish Pressed Powder. You know what? What's wrong with me? What is wrong with me? Okay, you guys forgive me, but I totally forgot to show you the bag. Is that was like out of the bag, so it distracted me. Okay, so this is the bag for February. What do you think? I think it's pretty cute. What does it say here? Self-love is the best love. Absolutely agree. Continue with our powder. Look at this. How pretty. Come with a mirror. I will do a dedicated review for it. No worries. And there's the color. I didn't pronounce this. It's not Queen. Here it is. Packaging looks pretty interesting. What's this? Directions. Liquid Dragon Liner. Ooh, this is a liquid liner. You guys know how I'm obsessed with liquid. Oh, it's the double. I remember now. I think I picked this. So you get 2. Look at the detail on this. This one here. Like I said, a review on these as well. Love all the detail of their packaging. Never heard of this brand whatsoever. First Aid Beauty Calamine Pore Purging Mask. I love a mask. Fab Pharma helps combat visible pores, excess oil, and impurities. Don't think I picked this, but I'm really happy. I have very oily skin, so I love any detox masks or anything like that. Love it. Saturday Skin. I know a lot of these products are sold at Sephora, so they are very pricey. This is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glazer Water Cream. This is the 1.69 ounce. I have received several like small sizes of it, and I always wanted to purchase a big one because I love water creams. Oily skin, water cream, they work really well. So here's the packaging. Isn't this beautiful? The pink is not glass, but it's nice. It's like, is this anything good? I can't remember what I picked. MOTD. Oh, the blush duo. Ooh, I know this blush reminds me of another brand, if I remember correctly. Maybe it'll remind you of it as well. So cute. Look at this. MOTD. Let's see, how do you do this? Do I have to remove this here? You be you, only better. You be you, only better. Look at this. Tell me that that doesn't remind you of something. Is this blush with this blush? You can, I guess, do one by one or mix them together. This was such a good month for the IPSY GLAM Bag Plus. I'm also going to receive the IPSY GLAM Bag. I know it's shipped. It should be arrived maybe in 2 days. I'll be making that video. And this one is in the shade Pink Lace. Is it worth the money? Absolutely, especially if you're receiving products that you enjoy. If it's things you can't use, maybe you can gift them, but that's why I like to go and refresh that survey that they give you to customize like your taste. Really happy. So expect the reviews on all of these. Money well worth it. This is probably like, I don't know, with the tax, $30-something, and you have here more than $100 worth of makeup products. Starting 2023, IPSY is doing a really good job in my opinion. If you didn't check out my January box, I'll leave a playlist in the comments and I'll pin it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!